Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Muslim World League hosted this event today for the International Day for Children. We brought down children from the township, those who never ever been in a places like this, especially in Moses Mabhida Stadium. God make it happen that they will be here in the biggest stadium, the best stadium in the whole KwaZulu-Natal.
Now, first and foremost, let us congratulate the Muslim World League for hosting such a beautiful tournament. It was a huge success, the participation of different teams from different villages, and I must say for many of them, if not for all of them, it was for the first time that they found themselves in this state-of-the-art international stadium, the Moses Mabhida Stadium.
The tournament has been a great success. It's very good. Everyone is happy. Children are happy. It's a World Children's Day. That's why this organization did this tournament. Children are happy. So far, everyone is happy. Alhamdulillah.
They played 5 games. The winners took gold medals and the trophy.
Ngijabule kakhulu opportunity engitholile nami ukuthi ngiyiveze ngathi siyiveze
Even the losers, we don't believe in losers. They all took trophies and medals. There are 200 children who celebrated today the International Child Protection Day. We want to protect the children from being in the street, from being drinking and drugging, bring them to a sport. And you can see the enjoyment. They enjoy it so much because this is the first time in their life. And by the will of God, we're going to continue doing that for them.